small bowel? Very little. And most of them are the aerobic. Now, as you go down, you get a little more growth. The distal ileum, so you have some gram-negatives, you have the anaerobes. Now, the colon is where the bacteria are. And if you're lucky, you don't have the baddie bacteria and you have more of the goodie. Now, to look at this, I made this for you, that the red ones, they're always bad. The green ones, totally, they're always good. Now, some can change faces depending on कि environment कैसी है, आपने antibiotics दी हुई है या वो बीमार हैं आप, उस situation में कुछ धंधे बन जाते हैं, you know, like they change, वो अपनी loyalty change करके दूसरी तरफ हो जाते हैं. But the lactobacillus and the bifido are always the goodie bacteria, while the pseudomonas, the protease, the clostridias, all these are always the baddie ones. These ones, इनकी loyalty आप change कर सकते हो depending कौन ज़्यादा है किस वक्त, right? We'll skip over this. This is just to show you कि newborn की pieces में कौन से हैं और आपके 63-year-old में कैसे हैं. This is just to tell you कि the yellow one, this one, you can see, this is the smiley one, and this is the dangerous with skeleton बना हुआ है जहाँ पे. If you see with age, you get more of those. So you're likely to get more diseases with age. And while the younger you are, you have the goodie bacteria. Now we come then, so are we, जब अगर हम बहुत साफ माहौल में रहें तो क्या बहुत साफ माहौल अच्छा है, a little bit of reasonably साफ माहौल अच्छा है कि the बिल्कुल sterile वाला अच्छा है, या ये कि you know what happens if you don't live in the hygienic atmosphere. Now यूरोप में allergic diseases और autoimmune diseases बहुत ज़्यादा होने लगी, तो then you know Stratton he postulated in the late 80s, he said ये जो इतनी एलर्जी हो गई है हम बहुत ज़्यादा सफाई करने लगे हैं, you know we are spraying our kitchen with all the Lysol and we're cleaning this and we're cleaning that. So हमारे बच्चे जो हैं they don't get exposure to the. I know my doctor always laughs at that because he thinks that cleanliness, so you know, like we are advocating unhygienic. No, the hygiene hypothesis is interesting because too much of one thing is also bad. थोड़ा सा exposure to organisms जब होता था तो बच्चे they developed their immune system in a good way and some good bacteria also developed in them. Now if you clean up everything, then you clean up the good bacteria as well. We can't really apply this blindly to our country. We need to differentiate between the good and bad. We also need to understand the concept of colonization resistance, meaning कि अगर आप colonize अच्छे जरासीम से करोगे, तो you will prevent the bad ones from coming. And we have to understand that the model of the breastfed infants colonization is a unique model on which we work. All models are based on this natural model of the breastfed baby. Now, if you give antibiotics, so there is a war between the bacteria and the antibiotics.